Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be sharing with you guys my earring collection, basically Indian wear collection. This video will include Indian gold jewelry collection and Indian silver jewelry collection. Collection I say because some of the necklaces also have included. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. This is the first piece of earring, which is beautiful oval shape, has white beads and some white stones all over. This I got it for rupees 150 in a stall at a fair near my house. It was such a great deal for such an elegant piece of earring. So this next piece of earring is circular in shape. This goes so well with every sari because of its color. It's neither completely white nor completely gold. It's a mix of both. This again I got it for rupees 150 in the same stall as the previous one. Such a pretty piece this is. I pair it up with saris. This one is a pretty temple jewelry set. I got this earring along with the neck piece. It has green and red stones with gold embellishments in the stud. The stud is so beautiful. I got this for 850 rupees along with the neck piece. This here is a bronze colored piece of earring along with some white beads at the bottom. This is a basic set of earring. This is available almost everywhere. I got this for rupees 200. This next piece of earring is complete stonework, white stones. This I got it along with the neck piece for rupees 550. This is a bronze colored hangings. It contains mirror work in the stud, and look at the stud, it's so beautiful. This goes so well with every piece of chudidars and anarkalis. This I got it for rupees 250 again in a stall. Wow, this is so elegant. This has green and red stones along with some white stones here and there. Such a beautiful piece. I got this as a set along with the neck piece for rupees 450. This goes really well with saris. Wow, this cute little piece, yet so charming and elegant. Completely gold. And I love the tiny stud and the huge hangings. This was for rupees 350. This next one is such a pretty piece. It has almost all the colors on it and goes great with everything you wear. I got this for rupees 300. This again is a temple jewelry set along with the neck piece. Beautiful stud, green and red stones and a white bead at the bottom. This was for rupees 650 along with the neck piece. This is a piece which has blue and white stones all over. This goes really well with chudidars. This I got it for 350 rupees. This is such a elegant piece. This has red stones all over. I got this for rupees 250 at a store called Glitters. This again is from the same store called Glitters. If it's possible, I will link it in the description below. This I got it for rupees 200. Green beads at the bottom along with white stones. This is a stud, has white stones. This I got it for rupees 100. Such a stunning piece. This again is a stud. I got it along with the neck piece, which looks exactly like the earrings. I got it for 500. This one here, just like the green and the red one, I got this at the same store called Glitters. So this is the blue version of it. This I got it for 200. Actually, this was all the three were at sale. The next piece is a set for rupees 650. This one here is beautiful. I got this for rupees 310. This here is a stud along with the neck piece. So beautiful. It has a coin like thing at the bottom. I got this for rupees 450. White stoned gold neck piece. This was for rupees 175. Very cute. This is so elegant and charming. This has a very huge hanging. This I got it for rupees 200. Has green stones all over. Wow, this is my favorite pieces of the entire video. I went a little overboard on this because how could I not include this? I got this for rupees 550. The next one here is a stud which has gold, which is completely gold and has green stones all over. I got this for 125 rupees. Wow, this is such a exquisite piece of earring. It's my second favorites in the video. So beautiful. I wear it with saris. This was for 280. Can you believe it? So beautiful. This piece I got it as a set along with the neck piece. Such a good looking set. I got this for 580 rupees. Beautiful purple. This one here is complete green and red stones. I got this for 190 rupees. This again is a basic gold piece of hanging. Goes really well with everyday basics. Got it for 150 rupees. This is a stud, beautiful, cute elephant stud. I got this along with the neck piece for rupees 350, completely gold, like the bright gold. Wow, this is again temple jewelry set. I love this piece along with the neck piece. This was for rupees 1,750. I know it's on the pricier side because it comes along with the neck piece. The neck piece is beautiful and I think for the price both are amazing. So stunning. This again is a temple jewelry set. This is completely gold with some red stones and a white bead at the bottom. Such a winsome piece. This I got it for 1,550 along with the neck piece. Wow, I love the neck piece here. It's beautiful. It goes really well with saris. Next, coming to the silver jewelry collection. This is the first piece here. It's a beautiful hanging. Has almost all the colors of beads at the hanging. This I got it for 150 rupees. So stunning. The next piece of silver jewelry is this one. It has blue, turquoise and red stones here. I got this for 200 rupees. This one is so pretty. This has almost translucent kind of beads with it. This I got it for rupees 150. Such a cute piece of earring. This is hanging with mirror work and has pink beads at the bottom. This I got it for rupees 175. Wow, this is so charming. This I got it for rupees 150. This goes really well with everything. This again is a mirror work. I think this was in trend at a point all over the internet. This I got it for rupees 125. This piece is a gift from my friend. This I got it for rupees 150. It is a peacock. This here is a stud-like hanging. Beautiful, so cute, yet so elegant. This I got for rupees 75. Wow, this is my favorite piece of stud. It has all the colors in here. I got this for 250 rupees. So worth it, so worth it. This again is a peacock earring. This again is gifted by my friend and it was for 120 rupees. Wow, this is such a beautiful piece. This is a full year cover up. I got this in an online store. I will link it in the description below. Okay, that is it for this video, guys. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a video. Until then, bye.